staring at me, so I'm staring back at you. You looking at me like, what the fuck you gonna do? And I'm doing the same shit when I look back at you. But I know that you a chump and that you gonna keep your cool. Cause if you don't keep your cool, you try to act a fool, then I'ma get my tool and I'ma do something to you that you don't see coming. Cause you think I'm bluffing, but really I know that you don't want nothing. You don't want no parts, you don't want the situation that you gonna start, and you really don't want it to get dark. Cause you gotta walk home and you gotta walk by that park, like happened to me when I was a little kid and I saw sparks coming out the heater. You do the same situation that you gonna be facing if you get to fucking hating. You best to leave me alone, you best to call your mom at home and tell her to give her a ride to you so you don't be walking alone. Otherwise you gonna get dropped, and I don't even care, you ain't gonna have no time to call the cops. Cause I'ma jump out the truck, and I don't need a strap or a knife, I'ma be like what? Like what the fuck? I'ma jump out and I'ma give you these motherfucking knuckles, and I'ma beat your ass until your face turn purple. And I don't even care, you gonna be black like Urkel. And you think I'm fucking around? See what it's gonna be when you fuck with me, this S-I-double-S. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking